So let's discuss about market for coming week and understand how the uh, trades will go and some of the stocks what they are into our swing trades. So before we start, please subscribe my channel if you have not yet done, and please hit like buttons. At least expectation of this likes are around 250, which I know that you will do it. Without wasting a time, let's start about market now. So when we are seeing a nifty currently, nifty chart, what I am looking at, if you are observing nifty is exactly staying at the support, because you can observe market came down and tested the level in a daily time frame. So what is the observation here is for the weekly analysis that market is very bullish. So let's see about option chain analysis data. So when I'm seeing option chain for nifty, observe here something at 18,000. You can see 1 lakh OI which is already there. Then you can see additional of 23,000 OI is added in a call side. So what we are seeing in a put size, if you are observing the put size, at the put size, change in OI is additionally added here, which is again a biggest bullish view, because here if you observe at 18,000 range, this is only the hurdle for us, but yeah, you can see build up is happening at the put side, and short covering will be there because market should cross 18,000 levels. So this is the view for a nifty, and if nifty is breaking this 18,000 range, then we can see a big short covering at 18,108 is the first target, and the second target would be a bigger target of this swing, which is 18,333. And weekly, if we are seeing a weekly bounces, and we can see a further upside move within this expiry more than 18,500. This is what the view for nifty. And let's see about bank nifty. So if you are observing a bank nifty again had this small candle, which is a closure in a day frame. If you are observing here, this was a day last candle, and this was a last session candle. This candle is within the last candle size, that is called an insider candle. So we will come back to you with a lot of other different videos on how to understand insider candle, and how to check what it means by insider candle. So here if you are observing, this is the first support which bank nifty is taking is 37,317, and let's see how the OI is capturing the levels. When I'm opening the OI for bank nifty, if you are observing at 37,800, which is the last one where we had very less OI, and if you are observing at 38,000, we had around OI of 65,964 contracts plus addition of 25,180 which is added. So when this is a hurdle for us, when the movement market is covering shorts, you can see these call writers are closing their positions and covering their shorts. And here if you are observing at 37,500, you can see a lot of put writing is added. So before we had 75,000 and 15,000, 16,000 and 14,000, which is basically every 100 points we are seeing lot of change in OI. It is very bullish sign as per the data. So now we'll see how the chart is working here. So if we are able to cross 37,500, then we can see the first target would be or for this expiry. So coming to talking about some stocks, let's only not focus on a nifty and bank nifty. Let's talk about some stocks. If these all stocks are in my radar for the swing buy options, because these all stocks are already given a breakout here. So if you're observing Motherson Sumi again crossed the trend line analysis here, and it gave a 50. So you can go for a buy from here, and your stop loss would be the cost price on the same, or you can take a stop loss of 142 as a last swing. Coming to MSFL is another stock what it is in my radar. So Max Financial Services Limited. So here again it made a chart pattern which is in a channel, and right now we can see amazing breakout it is giving if it is crossing around 808. So if it is crossing 808, and for the swing traders you can take a first target would be around 859 easily, because it is a swing opportunity what we are getting after the breakout. So coming to Renuka Sugars, which is in a talk now, and everybody is talking about this because Adani Wilmar is buying this stock shares around 38% to 39%. So what we are observing here, as per the chart analysis, it is giving exactly the breakout pattern. It is a multi-year breakout, and if its breakout is sustained, we can see a pullback here. The amazing pullback is also happened on the same day when it gave a breakout. So if we are observing again next level, if stock is sustaining above 49.55 or 50 rupees, we can see a first target would be 55, 60, 64, and in the little medium term around 2 to 3 months we can see stock is hitting ATH around 95 to 100 rupees. Coming to ITC, because ITC is the big shark, is again started giving a move, and again if I am seeing a trend line from last 10th February 25th to it is giving only up move, and again it broke the trend line and the last high of 18th October. So if ITC is able to stay above 267.60, then we can see up move of 283, 296, 309, 322, and if it is still a bigger rally, then we can see around 390 in coming days. That's all guys for the week, and for intraday and daily targets and the calls that what we analyze as per our understanding of the levels, that I will get back to you guys every day in my video. This video is only for the week analysis, and request everyone to join through WhatsApp link which is given in the description, and you can open an account in LIS Blue if one is not having a trading account, and you can join to our personal trade group free for 1 month. So that's all guys. Let's have a great week ahead, and I'm very bullish on the market. Let's make some good money. Thank you guys. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.